Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. It's a sharp 2015 Infiniti Q70. We're located in West Tennessee. This one has a premium package, pearl white in color. Beautiful car. Does have the backup sensors, backup camera. Actually, it's got 4 cameras. You've got camera in the mirror in the front. So when you put in reverse, it gives you like an overhead shot. It's all of your surrounding. Good safety feature. Does have tinted windows, nice aluminum wheels with Michelin tires, automatic headlights. You can see the front sensor too, fog lights. These are just great cars. One owner, clean Carfax, from California, non-smoker, no rust. It's got a passive active key. All you do is push the button here. You can unlock and lock it. Got power windows, power mirrors. They are folding too, power folding mirrors. Let me see, well, I guess the keys gotta be on. Got memory seat. They fold when you lock the door. Nice leather seat, heated and cool, with no sign of wear on it. Very high quality material on these cars. Got your trunk release, traction control, heated steering wheel. These are automatic headlights. Whoops, going up too much. Power telescoping tilt steering wheel. Got push button start. Put your foot on the brake. Boom. How about the miles? Very low miles, 23,588 miles. It's got your trip computer, outside temperature. Got all your audio controls here. It's got voice command, Bluetooth for your phone and audio controls, and audio streaming, so you can stream off your phone. Cruise control, rain sense wipers. Nice screen. Got your navigation system. You got fuel economy, tire pressure, weather info. You got subscribe for the weather. Got the nice analog clock, which I like on the Mercedes. How about the camera system? Shows you a whole picture all around you. Very nice. Got dual climate control. There's your control knobs, like a mouse. It's got the Bose sound system. Sounds great. You got a CD changer. You got AM, FM. XM satellite radio, automatic transmission with the auto stick. You can bump it up and down. You got some different drive modes. You got eco mode for slow. I'm for fuel mileage. This is snow, and then sport or just normal. Got heated and cool seats on both sides. Cup holder. Got another outlet here. USB input, auxiliary input. There's a 12-volt outlet. Got your automatic dimming rearview mirror, home link garage door opener, sunroof. Got your shade. There's a window sticker. This was originally $51,800, so tremendous saving considering it's only got 23,000 miles and it's in very good condition. These are very comfortable car. The seats are just, it's like being on the couch at the house. Plenty of room back here. Got an armrest, cup holder. You got vents, keep everyone comfortable back here. These 18-inch wheels. It's got wheel lock and some good Michelin tires. Got trunk release on the remote. Well, I thought I opened it, but I guess I didn't. Got a large trunk. I know with the sun glare you probably can't see it, but got first aid kit. And you got to pass through here if you need to stick a long item. There's a hole in the middle. Dual exhaust. These are just very sporty, fun to drive. Power seat and lumbar support on both sides. You can feel the quality when you shut the door. I guess I forgot to pop the trunk. Here's the cameras under the mirrors. That's what gives you the side shot. Pretty neat engine here. It's just 3.7 liter V6 pushing 330 horse. That's a lot of horsepower in a car of this size. So if you like a sporty ride, this is it, man. Got all the power you need. They're reliable. These are kind of like Lexus. I don't ever work on them really. They're just regular maintenance is all you're gonna do to these. It does have the remainder of the factory warranty from Infiniti. See description for details. If you're looking for a sharp luxury sports sedan at an affordable price, I believe you found it. To see if this Q70 is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. You can fill out the credit application. I'll get to work, see what I can do for you. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, or if you have any other question, you can call or text me anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.